Vaccine expert in Houston, Dr. Peter Hotez, he played a key part in the county's decision to extend the stay-at-home order through April. But he says if the number of cases continues to rise, that order could be extended. Marcelino Benito looks at when this pandemic could peak in the city of Houston.
There's every reason to believe that this virus could pick off Houston as one of its next targets.
Dr. Peter Hotez is concerned Houston is the next hotspot. What he's seeing in New York City and other major U.S. cities, but especially in our neighbor to the east, New Orleans, could predict problems here.
We certainly have a similar demographic here in Houston, so I'm very concerned about the health of people in some of the poor neighborhoods in our city where diabetes, hypertension rates are high, and they're also living in more crowded conditions. So those are the reasons that I've been sounding the alarm of why Houston's at risk.
But Hotez says the Texas Medical Center is uniquely prepared and positioned to deal with a crisis should it develop.
How this all is going to play out is unknown, but there's enough there for concern that I think we have to look at what the models tell us.
The models for Texas change daily, a peak now expected May 5th, if we continue to practice social distance.
The scary numbers that we may be looking at around 4,000 deaths in the state of Texas.
Local leaders looking at projections that put Texas anywhere from 2,800 to more than 5,000 deaths by the beginning of May. Researchers project nearly 6,200 deaths in Texas by August.
If we implement even more aggressive measures across the state, we can bring that number down even further.
The data suggests the stay-home order could last much longer than expected.
We may have to extend this till June. Let's let this move until April 30th. Then we can make a reevaluation as to whether we need to extend it another month or whether the world looks very different, either better or for worse.
And Dr. Hotez says not enough testing going on right now could be giving us a false impression of just how many cases are out there in our area. If and when testing ramps up here in the Houston area, our city could quickly become another COVID-19 hotspot. Back to you.